Dumpster rental service in Greene, Ohio. Are you tired of dealing with piles of junk and clutter? If you're facing a home renovation, a big cleanup, or handling waste from a commercial project, Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC is here to help. We provide fast, reliable, and affordable dumpster rental service in Greene, Ohio, to make your cleanup hassle-free. At Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC, we understand that managing waste can be a hassle, so we provide a seamless experience from start to finish. We proudly serve Greene, Ohio, with flexible rental options for any project size, from home cleanouts to construction site debris. We've got you covered. Our local and experienced team makes us the go-to choice for dumpster rental service in Greene, Ohio. Whether it's a community event or a large-scale renovation project, we're here to support the growth and cleanliness of our hometown. With prompt and reliable service, we ensure your project stays on track. We even work with local businesses and organizations to make Greene a cleaner, more beautiful place. No matter the job, we bring the best in dumpster rentals right to your door. Call us at 330-453-0000 for your free quote. Let Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC be your trusted partner in waste management.